Hello guys, I am Matt from Vortex City, and today I will be showing you how you can convert literally any file to MP4. So you would use this if you have like a file in MKV or even MP3 or really any file format and you want to put it into MP4. So all you have to do is go to Google and search up an application called Handbrake. Handbrake is essentially an open source video transcoder which converts any file to a certain file type that you want. So you could convert files from MP4 to MP3 or MP3 to MP4 or literally any file change that you want to do. So all you have to do is download it from their website. This works on Windows or on Mac, so you can download it on either platform depending on what type of computer you have. So we just open up the application here. So once we click on the actual application itself, you can see that it's opening at the bottom, so we just have to verify the download and everything. Open it up. So here we are in the actual Handbrake application. So you can find this by going to your app bar or searching it in Spotlight. You can just search Handbrake and you can see right here it shows up. So you just open Handbrake in whatever on your Mac or your PC or whatever, and then you just choose a file to put in. So you can literally look through all the files on your computer. So you could go through the files, whatever you want, and you could just take a file format. So we'll just go with my iPhone XS review. We simply put it into Handbrake, and right here we can see all the details that this video has been set to. And here at the bottom of the screen, you'll notice right here, iPhone XS Review MP4, we can decide where we want to export this video to. So what I mean by that is, like, after you put the file into Handbrake, you just choose where you want it to go afterwards, so you can browse your files. And if we want to put it to the iCloud drive, we just choose iCloud drive, and once we press start, it will now start turning our file from MKV to MP4 or whatever it was previously. And once this is done, it will automatically be put into the iCloud drive. So you won't have to click anything after that. So that is essentially how you do it. If you guys have any more questions, just put them in the comments down below and I will answer them as soon as possible. Subscribe to see more tutorials and videos like this, and I will see you in the next one.